This is Assistant Coach Phatyl with the Detox Gym in Gia Uhuru Kipora. Getting right back into it again. Here we go. Activated charcoal. But guess what? My activated charcoal is black owned, baby. There we go, right there. I like Shades of Africa, and none of the products that I use, I'm not a brand ambassador for any of them. I'm just sharing what I like and the products that I use. So I want you guys to know that I'm not getting paid for any of this. This is just you guys ask and I'm responding. I'm showing you that we does this. So yeah, I use this for whitening my teeth. I like to use it primarily at night. Also, before I go to bed, I like to consume a little bit of it, about a tablespoon, inside some water to also help with and assist with that detoxification your body goes through naturally when you go to bed. You already know what to do. Check out all our links below for all our other social media. Subscribe, like, share. Asst. Ashe.